I don't know the name of this effect, but I think it looks really cool. I just call it the upside down city effect, but I don't know the official name of this particular effect. But I do believe you have seen this kind of footage on the internet, or maybe on some movies like maybe Doctor Strange or Inception, where there is a drone footage of a city, but instead of one city there are two identical cities. There's a city at the bottom, but there is also a city at the top, and they're kind of hanging out there, and I think it looks really cool. So we are going to recreate this effect using Filmora, and the principle of this effect is actually very simple. So I got this video from YouTube. I'm going to play it for you. So this is a drone footage in Manhattan, New York, and I think it's a great place to get some skyline drone footage. So I'm going to use the video, a clip from this video, and I'm going to apply the upside down city effect. So I have specified that this is the part of the video that I'm going to put. It's very simple, and I do recommend that the video source is to be as good as possible, in a way that you don't want to get a clip that look like this. So let me show you. The clip that looks like this, it doesn't look good because there's a building that is out of frame like this. It's not going to look great when you are converting this into the upside down effect. So try to make sure that all the buildings are basically within the frame. You don't want to get something like this as well. It's not good. This is kind of okay, but this is still out of frame, so don't use that. And yeah, this is even worse. So basically try to get something like this where all the skyline doesn't being obstructed by the boundary of the frame. So this is good, but we can get something that's even better. This is almost good, except for this spiral at the top. It's still being blocked. So I have this area of the video, this clip, that I'm going to use as a demonstration. Now let me put this into the video timeline, and let's say match to the media. So this is the result. As you can see, it's just a simple drone footage from right to left, and I'm going to add another city at the top. But I guess I'm going to expand the aspect ratio of the video first. So I'm going to change the aspect ratio by going to this menu, change project aspect ratio, and I'm going to switch to the classic 1920 by 1080p, and let's click OK. So it's giving me more space to work with. Let's put this to the bottom, and then I'm going to right click, copy, and I'm going to right click anywhere, click paste. Now let's move this new footage, the duplicated footage at the top, and I'm going to flip it. Let's click on this clip and then go to video, basic, and click on this icon. There you go. Now it's completely upside down. Let's put it here, and I have to make sure that it is not touching the existing buildings. So you want to make sure that they look great. We want to balance everything out, and I think this is kind of good enough. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So after that, we have to clean this section where there is a clear separation between one clip with another. So we have to clear it out. Now click on this clip, the top clip, and then go to video, click AI tools, and then enable chroma key. And I'm going to click on this color picker, and I'm going to click on this blue area close to the edge, and there you go. So we can adjust the setting a bit. We can make it more aggressive, and you can also change the color, change the setting of this chroma key. It's really up to you, but this is the simplest you can do. You can also use some other AI tools in Filmora, like there is also smart cutout or AI object remover. It's really up to you which model that you think is going to be useful for this particular clip, but at least chroma key is one thing that you are going to use. Now this is kind of done, and I gotta say it looks really good. If I play the video, I think it looks really amazing. But in the previous example, you see that they're actually flipping the video, so the buildings are actually on the opposite side, and fortunately we can do the same on our footage. Now I'm going to click on this clip again, go to the basic menu again, and flip the video, and there you go. So if you play the video, this is the result. I guess it's not perfect, but it's very close to the original sample footage that I got from Shutterstock. So what do you think about this effect? Do you think it looks cool, or do you think we need some improvement here. But either way, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.